now with more information. Good morning.
Good morning.
So there's probably a lot of people waking up right now who can relate to this story. How do you know if your snoring could really be problematic?
Well, if you snore for more than 5 or 6 hours a night and for more than 5 hours for 5 days per week, then your snoring is a significant problem. And it's something you probably should mention to your primary care physician.
Okay.
The newest studies have indicated that just primary snoring, people who have snoring and don't have obstructive sleep apnea, which is a common risk factor, may have risk factors for having narrowing of the arteries that go up to the brain, that bring blood up to the brain, called the carotid arteries. This narrowing is a significant risk factor for strokes.
Okay. So when somebody comes to see you then, how do you determine whether or not it's worth running the test to see if they do have that narrowing of the artery?
Right. So if they have other risk factors, the other risk factors for cardiovascular disease are obesity, elevated cholesterol and other blood lipids, history of heart disease in the family, diabetes mellitus. Those are the things that would heighten our concern that perhaps this person may have some additional disease in their carotid arteries. So if they have one or two of those risk factors along with a history of chronic severe snoring at night, multiple 5 nights, greater than 5 nights per week, those are the people we're probably going to subject to a very painless examination of their carotid arteries to see if they have narrowing.
And at what age does this become more of a factor?
Most of the time it's in once we get above 30 or 40 years of age is when we start to notice chronic snoring.
Okay, last question. You can say a lot of debating. Who snores more, men or women?
Men snore more. Men snore more than women. About 45% of men have chronic snoring and about 30% of women. So our new message is that where high blood pressure may be the silent killer, snoring may turn out to be the noisy killer.
Okay, so not necessarily a laughing matter, as you've said.
Yes.
Dr. Oshinsky, thanks for coming in, as
My
always.
pleasure.
We
Thank you very much.
appreciate it. And if you have any other questions or would like a referral, you can call 1-800-MD-MERCY. Stay with us. Coming